Hey, it's your everyday talk buddy. Real English, real moments. You sit with a friend. They ask, "How are you?" And suddenly, your brain freezes. You know the grammar, but every answer feels fake. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. None of them sound like you. Today, we'll change that. You'll learn how to talk about your feelings, naturally, simply, and honestly, the way real people do. We'll go through 15 authentic responses you can use in everyday situations, when you're happy, stressed, tired, excited, or just not okay. Because fluency isn't only about words, it's about sounding human. English speakers rarely describe emotions directly. They hint at them. They use tone, rhythm, and understatement, not drama. Instead of, "I'm very angry," someone might say, "I'm not in the best mood right now." Instead of, "I'm sad," they might say, "It's been a bit of a rough week." It's softer, real, and it makes you sound emotionally intelligent, not robotic. Today's 15 phrases are divided into 5 real-life moods: good days, busy or tired days, hard moments, calm and grateful moments, honest but polite ways to say you're not okay.
Hey, how are you?
Honestly, pretty good today. Just trying to enjoy it.
Pretty good is casual. Honestly makes it sound real, not rehearsed.
Morning. How's it going?
Feeling good, slept well, got my coffee, can't complain.
Can't complain is one of the most natural ways to sound cheerful without overdoing it.
You seem happy lately.
Yeah, I'm just grateful. Things feel light right now.
Simple, mature, genuine. That's emotional fluency. Not every day is perfect. Sometimes you're just surviving. Here's how people express that, without sounding negative.
How's your day going?
Busy, but good. You know how it is.
This phrase says I'm tired, and I'm handling it at the same time.
You okay? You sound exhausted.
Yeah, just running on caffeine today.
Running on caffeine is casual and funny. It makes honesty sound light.
How's your week?
Honestly, I need a reset. It's been non-stop.
I need a reset means I'm overwhelmed but self-aware. It's modern, real, and common. English emotional emotional subtlety. People often describe difficulty indirectly. It keeps vulnerability safe.
You've been quiet. Everything okay?
Yeah, just processing a lot lately.
Processing means thinking through emotions quietly. It's mature and introspective.
You good? You seem off.
It's been a bit of a tough patch, but I'm getting through it.
Tough patch replaces bad time with empathy and resilience.
How are you holding up?
Taking it day by day.
This phrase shows emotional balance. It's honest but calm. Sometimes life slows down, and peace feels new. These are phrases that people use to describe quiet gratitude.
How are you these days?
Honestly, peaceful. Nothing crazy, just steady.
The phrase "nothing crazy" keeps it grounded. Fluent understatement.
What are you up to this weekend?
Nothing big, just recharging a bit.
Recharging equals modern English for resting your mind and body.
Things seem good lately.
Yeah, I'm grateful. Trying not to take it for granted.
This phrase communicates emotional maturity in 5 words. There are days when "I'm fine" just doesn't work, but you can still sound real without oversharing. Here's how fluent English speakers express vulnerability with grace.
You okay?
Not great, to be honest. Just low on energy.
Not great, to be honest, is emotionally honest yet balanced. It invites empathy, not pity.
How have you been lately?
It's been a rough few weeks, but I'm hanging in there.
Hanging in there equals surviving, holding steady. A humble phrase full of quiet strength.
Be honest. Are you okay?
I've been better, but I'll get through it.
Short, honest, powerful. That's what emotional fluency sounds like. Today, you learned 15 real-life ways to talk about your feelings without overthinking. You discovered how English hides emotions in rhythm, not adjectives. How to show honesty and maturity through tone. How phrases like pretty good, taking it day by day, or I need a reset make you sound fluent and real. Fluency isn't emotional perfection. It's self-awareness in words. Talking about your feelings doesn't make you weak. It makes your English alive. Next time someone asks, "How are you?" don't search for the perfect word. Just answer honestly and let your tone do the rest. This is your everyday talk buddy. Real English, real moments. Next episode, how to comfort someone. What to say when words feel small. Subscribe for more daily moments. See you next time.